Welcome back, guys. Okay, now we're getting to the end of our rare Kyosho Mini Z unboxings, and I've just got some European ones that are left. Thought I'd show you these guys, and we are more or less done. There might just be one more video after this one, and these are officially rare, guys. So these aren't ones that have just become rare because they're not selling, you can't buy them anymore. These are ones that when they released them from the factory, they only released 1,000, 2,000 of them. Okay, so that's around the world. Yeah, so unless they decide to remold them and make them again, that's it. So if you get one of these, that's pretty cool. Now amongst them, they released some for their 50th anniversary, and this is one of the ones that they released. And this is the Lamborghini, is that Miura Jota SVR, okay? And there's a Lamborghini emblem. And we'll show you it in the box first, guys. I know it's not going to do it justice, but yeah. Chrome, beautiful chrome, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's take it out, have a wee look at it. And again, this is one of them I would never have taken out of this case. This is like one that I probably would sell off later on because it's like a classic. But for you guys, I will definitely take it out. I probably wouldn't even make a race vid out of these, but this is just for you guys. So how we look at this bad boy. I like the deep dish wheels, even though they are gold, and that's like a proper really old kind of look to the car. But chrome, guys, is killer. Chrome's a next level, man. It's amazing. And that spoiler is so cute. What is that spoiler doing there? What is going on with that spoiler, man? So both wheels are like deep dish. Nice. This must have been before that Lamborghinis kind of evolved onto the shapes that we've come to know and love. And here we've basically got, again, 50th anniversary version, and there it tells you it's a limited edition, and they only made 1 out of 1,500 of these in the entire world. And there's the 50th anniversary logo, where they've got Lamborghini emblem on it. This is narrow RM, and yeah, man, beautiful. What a nice shell, guys. And that's really a classic kind of look. They brought this out in normal red as well, but normal red wasn't cutting it. Chrome just looks completely fantastic. Now my next little bad boy, I'll get him out. This is a rare one. This is the Rare HSV 010 2010 version. The only thing with this is, guys, this is a limited edition one as well. I changed the wheels. I basically robbed the wheels of this one and put them on something else. So these wheels aren't the actual wheels, but the shell is more or less like new. So this is that Rare Brig shell. I've got one more like this, guys. So this one's 1 of 2,000. So that is a limited edition, and it's a rare again. But I have the other one. I don't know if you've ever seen the other one. What was that, man? Oh, completely forgotten. Oh, but that was a blue chrome version, and it was killer. It was just fantastic, guys. You can see that on the stand anyway, guys, but yeah. Oh, nice blue. It was that blue chrome. Can you see that blue chrome there? That's on the whole shell. That's probably one of... That had been my #1 car. I mean, he's for a long time because of that blue chrome. Let me see if I can dig it out, man. But yeah. Beautiful. Look at that. Feast your eyes on that little bad boy. Okay, we'll put them on the stand, guys, and you can get a better look at it. Right. I think there's just one little bit to go, and that is it, guys, and we are completely done, guys. No space on that table now either. Okay, right, let's go on. Watch these little beauties on the display stand. They look phenomenal, guys. Look beautiful. I hope you're enjoying the series, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And yep, there's gonna be some crazy vids. I can basically put all my attention towards making vids now. I've done my unboxings, they're all finished. And now we're just gonna get on with doing some beautiful, crazy vids. So, alright, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next vid. And here, guys, another chrome beauty, guys. Chrome is amazing, guys. Metallic's nice, but chrome, completely different world. And this is a classic car, the Lamborghini Jota SVR red. Amazing. This particular chrome one's been brought out as part of the 50th anniversary of Kyosho. So they basically made 1,500 of them. So these are limited edition ones. They have been released before in red, guys, but not in chrome red. And the same with the actual Lamborghini as well. That have been brought out in chrome red as well. So I think this is before Lamborghini kind of went into the kind of look we know and love right now. What's really interesting, guys, is that Lamborghini, they originally made tractors, right? And this is why you should never look down at people. So Ferrari obviously made sport cars. Lamborghini, with another Italian family, they made tractors. So Ferrari would take the mick, but actually they mocked Lamborghini in their engineering. So that's when Lamborghini decided, alright, okay, we'll make sports cars as well, then we'll compete with you. So I suppose competition brings the best out in people, but this is why you should never look down at somebody. Because, you know, some of the Lamborghinis will smash the Ferraris all day long. And even for looks, there's just something about the Lamborghinis. Ferraris are cool, don't get me wrong, but Lamborghinis will look so futuristic. So yeah, you know, guys, I like deep dish wheels. I think in the 80s a lot of cars had the gold deep dish kind of wheels because the Porsche 911, the RSR Turbo, that had the same kind of look in the wheels. Let me show you if I can a bit close by. That same kind of look. I don't know what it was. I think that was just something that was happening in that time. But this was a real machine. Let's move on, guys. So, definitely a rare one, and one worth being in the collection. And these have become pretty expensive already, guys. Okay, let's move on. Okay, guys, apologies about the rainfall on the conservatory, but let's just persevere. So, next up is the Raybrig HSV010. This is the 2010 version, guys, and this is officially rare. So they only made 2,000 of these, and this is 1 out of 2,000. And even though this can't hold a candle to the Cayenne version of this car with the blue chrome, with the amazing blue chrome, it's still decent. It's got purple, it's got some chrome built in there as well. And obviously the body shape is a pretty cool body shape, but it's not dethroning the Cayenne from the #1 spot. That is an amazing looking car, but still worthy of being in the collection, guys, and a nice looking bit of kit. So yeah, it's kind of rare. I was fortunate to get hold of that, and it hasn't really been used. I think the only thing was the person who sold it had used the wheels somewhere else. That was the only problem with it, and I'm not really that fussed. Got loads of wheels. But yeah, one of them cars that just suits the stand. If you just sit there and you can look at it. Amazing. It does have the chrome blue effect on the actual roof of the car. So it has the Cayenne kind of colour on the roof. And I think it's chrome. Yeah, it is. So that chrome that it has there is basically what the Cayenne has all over it. If you haven't seen that, take a look at it, because that's my #1 Mini Z. Oh, it's got some chrome on the bonnet. It's got a funky chrome effect going on all over the car. But yeah, okay, that's cool. Let's move on.